I'd like to thank everyone for being patient with me through this build of the NS Eccentric. I have all of the parts that I need to finish the build today. The last item that I'm waiting on are the decals for the front fork. I ordered those from Russia, so I'll just charge that one to the game. Let's knock this junk out. Today I'll be installing Brian Deck's Ascend dropper seat post, 170 millimeters. Originate Vice hydraulic brake kits, front and rear. Seat post shim, 30.9 to 31.6. Originate Torrent saddle. Install everything hand tight. Torque everything upon final inspection. When you're using these brake adapters, make sure you always have the arrow facing up. I'm not going to need any adapters for the rear since I'm running 160 millimeter in the rear. Before I put the seat shim in, I'm going to lube it up a little bit. Brand that's a Ascend dropper seat post, 170 millimeters. up. The Eccentric is finally done. SRAM SX 12-speed group set. Originate bolt wheels, 30 millimeters wide. Michelin tires. Originate seat post clamp. Brand X Ascend dropper seat post, 170 millimeters. Originate Torrent saddle. Originate stem, 35 millimeters length, 31.8 clamp diameter. Originate Rave 2 handlebars. Originate Vice brakes. RockShox Recon fork, 140 millimeters. Michelin Wild AM, 2.6 on the front. Michelin Force AM, 2.6 on the rear. Toe Peak bottle cage. $160 millimeter rear rotor. $180 millimeter front rotor. I now have 3 bikes with sloppy brake hoses. So I'll be getting a bleed kit that's compatible with all brakes, probably the Park Tools one is the only one that I've seen. So I'll be doing a video pretty soon of cutting holes and re-bleeding them. I like that the water bottle cage has the built-in tire levers. Originate bottle also. Generic mud guard. Generic chain stay protector. Generic flat pedals that I got off of Amazon for $22. And as long as it took me to get all of the parts, I'm happy with it. I've ridden it a couple of times already, and that slat angle on that front fork is a total different experience from my other hardtail. But I really like it. I like the way it came out. Hopefully you guys like it also. I don't know what project I'm gonna do next. As far as a full bike, I really want to get me a nuke-proof full suspension. We'll see how that go. I have a birthday in March, so maybe I'll be blessed with the ability to do that for myself. Catch you guys later.